Hi everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the magnetic ratcheting screwdriver bit set. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a very simple retail box where we can learn more about this product. It comes with 24 bits. You can see some of the different types right there. 1/4-inch hex. It does have an adjustable handle as well with 58 teeth in that ratcheting gear. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. You can see our nice storage case with their logo and branding front and center on it with a cool design. So very simple case. There's the hinges on the back side. Then we have a latch to unhook to open it up to reveal the inside, so you can see all of the contents that we get, all of our additional bits, our magnetic screwdriver right here that ratchets for us. That looks great. We have a ton of different bit options for us. You can see them on screen right now, so check out the bits right there. You can see all the different options that we have. We can look in more detail too at the actual ratcheting screwdriver right here. So you can see we have our reversible ratchet screwdriver adjustment, so we can change the directions. Then we have our extensions as well too. So everything's a 1/4-inch right there. So you can see how we can put that in on each side to grip for the handle, or we can remove it and then we can stack them together. So now you can see we just changed the handle again, and we could do that for the other side as well, depending on the project we're trying to tackle and if it's in a hard to reach place. And you can see too, we can remove this as well. So same 1/4-inch that we can use for the ratcheting right there. This has 58 teeth for the ratcheting gear. The magnetic like clip right there. Our screwdriver heads can go right there on it. And again, it's the 1/4-inch hex on every side. And then we can look up close at more of the bits so you guys can see them. Color coded for us as well. Very easy to take out, to get them installed like you see here. Then you can use them and then you can remove them and put them easily back in for safe storage and keeping. So once we're done, you can see we can close it up and it's all ready to go back in our tool bag. Now let's go ahead, let's try them out. So you can tackle a wide variety and range of repairs and projects with a kit like this. So go ahead, select the correct bit for the screws you're trying to remove. In this case, you can see we have a video graphics card here where we want to swap out the fan and heatsink. So we have 4 screws on the back that we need to loosen up to remove. So go ahead, just line everything up and then just start twisting in place. You can see we're not using the ratcheting for this one and how we have it configured, but it's got a great length to it, very comfortable in our hands, easy to remove and rotate as well. So the tip ends are magnetized as well. So depending on how heavy the screw is, it can pick it up. We have 2 left. You can see these screws are actually spring loaded as well for this graphics card. Got the last one removed and now you can see, there we go. We just need to unplug the heatsink and fan from there to replace it. You can see how simple and straightforward that was. Once we complete our repair, we can then put the screws back on in reverse order. So here we go. We can try to line them back up. I think I got one lined up right here. Take our screwdriver and then twist everything back into place. So it should be lined up right there. So we twisted one down. We got a couple more to go. So let's just line everything up. Put another one in place. Got another one in place right there. Same thing. Gently screw it back down in place. And then we have 2 more. So we got the 3rd one in, no issues at all. And now we got the 4th one lined up and ready to go in. So you can see we have all 4 tightened back down and everything's ready to go. Now let's test out the ratcheting feature. So we have it set so we can actually ratchet down this T20 screw into this block of wood. So let's grab our T20 bit. Let's get it installed. It's that simple. Now we can work on lining everything up and we're going to ratchet it down in place. So you can see we're doing it just fine. No issues at all. So we can just keep ratcheting it down into the wood. So it's doing a great job. Very powerful for its small and compact size. You can see we're getting it all the way down in here. That hole was not pre-drilled. So this is doing it all on its own with that T20 screw. So you can see how far down we're able to get it. So there we go, guys. Let's get it nice and snug. So we can get it really tight in there. Look at that. We're actually going to drive it into the wood. So let's keep going for another second. Look at that. All right. So my arm's getting tired. There we go. Look at how far down we drove that. Now we can flip the switch so we can loosen it. And then we can also remove it. So here you go. It's a lot easier to remove it. It's working just fine, guys. Very easy to use. So again, we can reconfigure that handle too. Say halfway through we want to swap out one side right there. Now you can see how we have it. And we can keep going to get the screw completely removed from this block of wood. So I believe we're right there. There we go, guys. We got everything removed. So the ratcheting works great. So this could also come in handy if you want to upgrade your computer or your laptop, swap out the battery, replace the RAM, upgrade the hard drive, or anything like that. So same thing, you can see all the different screws that we have. Then we can use this tool, line it up, and then we can start removing each of the individual screws. So you can see we got a pretty long one out right there. We can do it again from right here. So it works great with those small screws. We can take out a couple more. So there we go. And let's take out this guy as well. You can see we're able to even pull it out right there with the magnet on the end for us. So it also makes it easier when it's time to go to put everything back together. Then we already have it lined up. We can just drop it right down in there and tighten everything back up. Same can be said right here. So look, we can just get it in place and drop it right back down with no issues. We got two more left right here. So same thing. You can see it just fits perfectly. Nice and snug, and then we can tighten it back down on our laptop. And the last one fits right in there. Line it up and then drop it right back down, and be sure to tighten it firmly in place. So overall, I think this is a really nifty tool with a clever design. I love how modular it is. I think that's fantastic. So you can really configure the handle to whatever you need at any given time. And the ratcheting really just boosts the productivity and the versatility of this product. The 24 bits is enough to get you going, but it definitely doesn't leave you satisfied. You're going to want to get some more bits to make sure you have yourself covered for whatever project you need to tackle. Along those lines too, I think the quality's on point at this price point. So I expect this to last a long time. I shouldn't have any issues with it, especially if I'm just using it with the hand-powered socket and not like an impact wrench or anything like that. I expect these to last for a while. I would like to see maybe a couple of different options in here with a thinner extension. So if you're working on a laptop or something that's pretty far down to get to the screw and there's, deep plastic in between the screw head where you have to go in the tool, you can see this one's probably going to get stuck right here at the adapter where the bits fit in. It just gets pretty wide. So if you're working in a tight to reach space that's far down, you have to get something else to be able to tackle that job. But for anything else out in the open, or not that far, out of reach for the bit itself, you'll be fine. So again, I like that we can just use it in so many different ways. Really well done. And the kit's nice too, right? So just everything's right here at your fingertips. Want to point out too, I like the design of this case where they're not going to shift around. So I have a couple of these in my tool bag and they fall out all the time when you go to carry and haul them around. But in this case, how this is designed, they're not going to fall out of there. So I'm really happy with that. You're not going to open this up and everything's going to be, displaced and unorganized. So really a clean, nice, neat, and tight storage kit for you for easy travel where you're not going to mess anything up. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.